Hello everyone, in this video we will create grunge style brush title animation. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I need to create a brush stroke, and for that purpose I will create a new composition and change the width to 2500 and height to 570. The duration is good 16 seconds and I will set the frame rate to 30, hit OK. I will enable the grid so that I have a straight line stroke. Using the pen tool, we will draw a stroke. Change the stroke width to 570 and changing its color to white. I will animate the stroke using trim path. Change the position of end to 0. Hit the keyframe and on 2 seconds, hit the keyframe to 96% or 97 if it's fine for you. F9, or you can easily ease like this. Using effects in preset panel, add effect that is roughen edges. Change the values, border to 500, edge shapes to 4.9, change scale to 170, stretch width to 6.9, complexity to 4, it's giving a brush type of stroke. We will duplicate it. So changing the titles. Shape 2 is the one that we have duplicated. Change the end to 95. We will also make changes in this roughen edges. Change the border to 345. Edges sharpness to 6.8. Change the scale to 580. And other things okay. I will make the duplicate shape 2 layer to appear after 2 frames. In this way we have the brush reveal stroke, changing the composition name to brush stroke. These are some pre-made brush strokes that I got from freepik.com. I will share its link so that you can also download it. We will use these brush strokes in our project. I will create a new composition and width and height should be like the previous one. Hit OK. Add these brush strokes. I will use this brush stroke. I have generated a mask around it. Control Alt Home to center line the anchor point and Control Home to center in the composition. Increase its scale. The brush stroke that we have created, I will add it here above and change the track matte to the brush stroke one so that you can see now our brush stroke has been appeared. I will add a new adjustment layer and apply turbulence displace on this adjustment layer. Change the amount to 2.5 and size to 150. In the now changing, we need to animate this amount of turbulence displays starting from 7, hit keyframe, and on 2 seconds change it to 21. Changing the composition name to brush 1. You can see in this way our first brush stroke is ready. I will create a main composition and name it as main comp. Change the width to 1920, height to 1080. We have this brush one. After adding this brush one, decrease the size so that it will appear as in the center of the composition. Change the rotation angle somewhat like this. I will duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D, and it will appear after 20 frames. I will change its angle to 172, and it will appear as below. Again, duplicate this brush one and place it at the downward. In this way, we have set our brush reveal. Now it's time to add the text above it, but before moving to the text, I will add a drop shadow effect on these brushes, so they will be a little separated from one another. Again, duplicate this drop shadow and change its angle to 300. I will center line them and create a null. Parent these brushes to this null to increase and decrease the size or change the position. For text, create a new composition, rename it as text, add the text, duplicate it. You can add your own text. I have used the font Swiss Blink. You can see it here. Changing its angle to -8. Add effect, fade words. Easy is them. Apply effect on this. Press U, it will reveal the keyframes. Easy is them. Add the text above these brush strokes. In this way, our title is ready. To enhance this title, you can add light leaks and also add background behind it. For light leaks, you can find my tutorial how to create simple light leaks, and also there is a tutorial for the background. You can add your image and behind this title, and your title is ready. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with others. Till then, I will see you in next video.